Positive ID on suspect!
There really isn't much to explain, Mrs. Bob. I'm just not the man for the job.
What man for a job? I don't need you for a job. I need you to tell me what my no-good slut daughter is up to.
Where's this guy?
Hotshot's trying to kill me! He's crazy! He's...
Shit! Anyone there?
What? Hello? Hello?
Can you tell me where you are?
What? He's dead! Ace is dead!
Look, I'm coming. be all right. Hang in there.
Yes.
Inspector? Watch out, kill days.
David, we were supposed to catch them in the act.
Yeah, well, they acted too fast. I have an eyewitness statement and all the evidence you need to get this bag of shit off the streets.
I'll type out a warrant.
Don't bother, I have a better idea. I'll challenge him to a race, and once we're in it, I'll lead him right to you.
All right, but wait. I want him alive. never shuts up. You should have seen the look on his face when we charged him with murder. He'll get 20 years at least. Nobody pays much attention to those guys, but they kill or injure dozens of people a year. Impossible to say how many lives you've saved, but he really did a job on this one, Officer Shen.
What? Can I help you? Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for one day.
Wait, open your eyes!
gotta do something
Shut the
about
fuck
this,
up,
man.
Jackie. We gotta think.
You gotta think. Don't
Hey,
put
come
your
here.
aping
Come here.
Don't make
Shut up.
Shut up, both of you! Winston's gone. Right now, we gotta stick together.
We just can't let the 18K get away with this.
What makes you so sure it was 18K?
We all saw them. They were definitely 18K. Even stupid Jackie knows that.
You ever think maybe they were just trying to look like 18K? Look, we've had a few skirmishes with them lately, but nothing major. It doesn't make sense that they would do something this big.
Oh, so who do you think it was?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. And who the fuck are you?
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
He's another Son-on-Yi boss, Red Bull, just like Winston.
Okay, what can we do for Mr. Lee?
He has decided that for the time being, you may continue your operations in this area. But the percentage previously paid to Winston will now go to Mr. Lee.
That's an interesting proposition. But I have a counteroffer for Mr. Lee. I'd appreciate if you relay this back to him word for word. Can you do that? You tell Mr. Lee that his people stay the fuck out of our territory, and in return, we'll let him live.
I don't think you'll find that offer to his liking.
I think you'll find that I don't give a fuck. You see our guest out, make sure he doesn't get lost.
You'll regret this. I promised you that.
Step on it! No way you get away clean, Ponytail! No way! gonna break your face!
Yeah! Let us stay pussy up!
Tell your boss, stay the fuck out of my territory!
Fuck you, eh?
Damn it!
Get down on the ground! Give up now! This is the police! Hey, stop!
Shit, just what I needed.
Get in! Get in!
What the hell? Ah, shit, just what I needed.
Get in! Get in!
What the hell? Who the fuck are you guys?
Change your tone, Shen. Miss Yang is a red pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang? My apologies, Madame Red Bull. So why'd you bring me out here?
I have heard a lot about you, Wei Shen. I will get to the point. You must realize that you cannot stand against Big Smile Lee alone.
That's what everyone tells me. Roland Ho said I'd need other bosses to support me.
Indeed. Nah, I believe in harmony, balance, peace, and I don't mind spilling a little blood to achieve it. With Uncle Po in the hospital, there's much uncertainty in the Sun On Yi. If he recovers, we will both be stable and strong.
But if he dies?
The 18K presents a very real threat. We cannot afford to appear weak. We will need to elect a new chairman quickly.
You, for instance.
Ah, Big Smile Lee represents a step backwards for the Sun On Yi. Why continue to force girls into prostitution and pornography when there are other, less archaic, more profitable ways for us to make money? I have very different ideas about our future. I want to take the Sun On Yi forward, but it would be unwise even for me to stand against Big Smile Lee unaided. Which brings me to you. Now, we both appear to have the same problem, Wei Shen, and the opportunity to benefit if we work together.
So it seems. I have my own reasons for hating Big Smile Lee's operation. Now, if you stand against him, you can count on me.
Good. We will talk soon. Don't tell her, huh? Wei Shen.
You have a car in here?
Mrs. Chu. I was just stopping by to see if there was anything you needed. I know it's no consolation, but I gotta look at one of the gunmen from the wedding. Now, I will find him, and I'll make him tell me who's responsible.
唔使，你揾到佢，你帶佢嚟呢度，你拎佢俾我啊！
Ricky, this way.
Shit, Way. How you holding up?
I got a lot of loose ends to clean up. I need an outsider for a couple things. You got Johnny Ratface's number?
Johnny Ratface? Man, stay away from that lunatic. You give him a job, you're gonna have to steam clean your conscience when he's done. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know all about him. He's my man.
I guess you know what you're doing.
Hey, is this Johnny?
Yeah?
A friend sent me to you. Works with a lot of movie stars, know what I mean?
So?
So I got a problem. He said you could help me.
I'm busy.
Wait, please. Look, I trade diamonds. Down in Central, my partner took off with all our stock. You know, by the time the cops look into it, he'll be halfway to Shanghai. I'll never get them back.
Diamonds, huh?
All I need is someone to recover them. I pay a large fee.
Okay. What's the guy's name?
His name is, Large Bucktooth Cho. He lives at 101 Aberdeen Road, but I think he may be at his girlfriend's apartment.
Yeah, where's that?
She's at, hold on, I'm looking. Got you, fucker.
Baby, I promise.
Are you insane?
Think of all the money we'll make. This is our future, you and me.
Fuck you, asshole. I'm not taking off my clothes for you or anyone else. Asshole.
Move, bitch! What do you think this is? Stupid fucking horse. Special kid is skinny. They've been in here 2 weeks. Stripped and missed by often. Ah, what did you Come on in the piggy! What that is to make you scream?
Hiya!
There you go! You need to piggy!
Please.
止水。You still know those girls from the Bam Bam Club？ 你冇噶啦你，隻抽啦，咁撚多啦你。嚟啊！立聽，同我冧鳩佢。捅佢啦！立聽，同我冧鳩佢。哇！你睇唔睇到啊？立聽，同我冧鳩佢。哇！屌啊！哇！哇！嚇撚死我啊！哇！捅佢啦！嚟啊，牙尖嘴！
Hey, you!
Don't let him get me!
wants to serve you some noodles.
What? You crazy? Look, man, I got powerful friends.
Yeah? Who would that be?
They gonna kill you.
Tell me their names, so we can go see them right now. Look, what are the odds they're gonna even admit they even know you?
Fuck you, I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
Well, you don't have to. Someone else will ask the question.
Well, fuck him too!
Johnny the Rat Face. Meet Mrs. Chu. Winston's mother.
Osama! I don't know what this guy told you!
佢話俾我聽，Winston 死個人你就喺嗰度。
Fuck!
而家你話俾我聽，邊個叫你做啊？
I don't know what you're talking about, you crazy old bitch! Please!
喂，你而家應該走，你走啦喂。
Wait, wait! Don't leave me here! She's fucking crazy! Okay, okay. I'll tell you anything you want to know. Just please, don't!
No, I haven't seen him around in a while. I'm not lying. You want to see for yourself.
I'm positive ID on suspect.
We got them! We got them!